हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ एंड दिस इज़ माय बेयर फेस। या दिस इज़ हाउ आई लुक एंड विदाउट मेकअप एनीथिंग, या without any sunscreen. So yeah, in 2021 I thought I should be super open with you guys, and this is the first foundation that I have found in my shade, and today I am going to use it. Before that I used to use a sunscreen, so yeah, that is the one I use, and now it is the first time I am going to use a foundation, and it is a very big day for me, so I thought of sharing it with you guys. And yeah, this is the 220, and yeah, I did all of my skincare beforehand, so I have moisturizer and everything on, and now I am going to moisturize my lip as well. And this is the lip balm that I am using currently, Baby Lips. And yeah, if you guys think I look a bit ugly without makeup, like, no one is perfect, and everyone has a little bit of like dark circles or decoloration, so no one is perfect. And yeah, like, I look okay. I mean, I don't care. This is how I look, and yeah, love yourself, everyone. No matter how you look, you should always be proud of yourself and love yourself. And now, with that note, I am going to start applying my makeup, and this is the sponge I am going to use. I look like I know what I'm doing here, but I really don't know. This is the first time I am trying to like apply foundation on my face, and this is not my left hand, guys, this is my right hand. Because of the camera it is looking like that, but yeah, let's start now. Oh my gosh. So yeah, let's start. Oh my god, look at me, literally feeling like a beauty guru over here. And yeah, with all those videos, I have like literally learned how to get foundation. So yeah, let's see. And now I am applying foundation without even a mirror. Like, you guys can see. Yeah, you can apply that without mirror. Now I realized, and then I like opened my eyeshadow palette, and it has a mirror inside. So yeah, now I'm going to use it as a mirror. Wow, like seriously, oh my god. So yeah, let's see if I will be able to blend it properly. It is a very nice match. Oh my god, you guys, I thought it is too dark or too light, but yeah, it is kind of perfect, and I was kind of shocked as well, क्योंकि life में literally I really never got a perfect foundation match, and it was like super perfect. So I was like super happy, and I was trying to just do my makeup. I look super funny over here, literally making so many faces. But yeah, this is how it turned out. It is a like super nice coverage, like it is like normal coverage, like very thin. You can probably see my pimple marks over there. It is not that high coverage, but it is okay if you are going to like a regular look. It is going to work like a daily makeup look. So yeah, it is a nice coverage. And yeah, this is how it looks. Yes, as you guys can see, it is a very good match. I was kind of very happy at that time, and yeah, I am just applying it everywhere, trying to get its coverage a little bit high, ताकि मेरे pimple marks ज़्यादा ना दिखें आपको. And yeah, I have a little bit of like pimples on my cheeks somewhere, 1 and 2 over here, like. So yeah, it did get a very nice coverage. Like, you guys can see, my face is now looking a little bit better, not looking like I am sick or something. But yeah, so yeah, let's just finish this. Yes, it is looking very nice. I was kind of happy. So yeah, let's fast forward. So now we are almost done, and I have applied it on my neck as well. So now, as you guys can see by comparing my hand, it is a perfect match, like almost too perfect. I can't even believe it, like really. And now let's move on to the next step. Right here I was like almost sneezing, but yeah, because of the cold weather I was like having a cold that day. Now the next step is, I guess, yeah, next step is powder. So after I finished my face, like foundation and stuff, almost I think I sneezed, I don't know. So yeah, I powdered all of the areas that are like prone to oil and like sebum. So yeah, only those areas, and then I think I apply it on all of my face. Yeah, like that, a little bit where there is a sebum secretion, like the oil. And yeah, so I think that's all. So yeah guys, let's go to the next segment, which is our eyeshadow, and this is going to be fast forwarded. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette, like Korean eyeshadow palette, Rose Bomb from Etude House. And yeah, let's fast forward. Here I am taking this brush and this angled brush, I don't even know their names. Yeah, I am going to use them to do my eye makeup basically. So yeah. And in the end, spoiler alert, I am going to use my fingers, like really. I can't work with brushes, I need to use fingers. So yeah, let's see. Let's fast forward. So I am applying this pink shade first. So now I am applying it, and I'm sure you guys can't see anything because of the filter, but yeah, it is a base shade, so you guys can not see it that well. That's why it is a very light hint of pink. And yeah, so that's for the base color. So as you guys can see, now I am picking up a darker pink shade with my fingers, क्योंकि ये वाला पैलेट के कलर्स फिंगर्स से ज़्यादा अच्छे से मेल्ट होते हैं and blend होते हैं. And now I am doing the same for the next eye as well, for the like top color. And now you guys can see a little bit of color on my eyes. And now I am taking a shimmery shade and highlighting this area. And again I am using fingers, क्योंकि fingers से ज़्यादा अच्छे से product dispense होता है. And yeah, अब मैं same इस आँख में भी करने वाली हूँ. And all of this process is for under eyes as well. In the Aegyosal, which I am going to do right now, you guys can see after a little bit. And yeah, and now I am doing the Aegyosal, which is called in Korean. I am going to give you guys a diagram here. So this is the Aegyosal, not an eye bag. So yeah, and now using the same shimmer shade which I used for the top, and highlighting Aegyosal as well. And yeah, it's almost done now. My face is pretty weird because like, yeah, so now the eye makeup is done now. And yeah, so now I am doing eyeliner, and this is like super important, so I need to focus. And here I am drawing not a cat eye, because I just cannot do that liner. I am doing this puppy, yeah, I think this is called as puppy liner. And this is a Korean eyeliner look. So yeah, I really like it and it suits my eye very nicely. So I do it like this. And yeah, that's that. So now one eye completed, and here's how I look with and without eyeliner. And yeah, as you guys can see, this is a very big difference. I really like eyeliner. I don't wear kajal, but I like eyeliner. Now both eyes are done, and as you guys can see, here's the full look. And one more thing, I think we need some glitter, and now I am taking out my glitter palette. And as you guys can see, it looks super cute, right? I know I will give the links of my fantastic Amazon shop. You guys can shop it there. And I am using this glitter. I am going to apply it using my fingers. Like, glitters are very nicely applied by fingers. So yeah, I am going to apply it like this. And yes, let's fast forward. Now a little bit to the aegyo as well. And yeah. Now last but not the least, this blush. This is one of my favorite blushes. And now I am going to take out the blush brush, and yeah, we are going to apply a little bit of blush. And that is it, you guys. It is almost completed, and that's it. This is the final look, and yeah, that's all. Now I'm going to do my hairs, and that will be it. And you guys can see here I am saying you a very warm thanks and a goodbye. So this is the final look, as you guys can see. And yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.